Are you struggling to keep up with lead generation in today's fast-paced business environment? Imagine a system that works tirelessly in the background, capturing and nurturing leads while you focus on what's most important, growing your business. Stay tuned because I'm about to unveil how marketing automation can revolutionize your B2B lead generation process. So, who am I? Why should you listen to me? I'm Tony Koenig. I'm a marketing strategy and the owner of Koenig Digital. And since 2008, we have helped hundreds of businesses in the $5 to $10 million range scale their operations and boost their ROI using cutting-edge marketing automation tools. I've seen firsthand how automation can turn chaotic processes into streamlined systems. And by the end of this video, you will have actionable strategies to implement in your business. So let's kick things off with why marketing automation is a must-have for B2B businesses. Think of it as your secret weapon, a system that works 24/7, 365 days a week to capture leads, nurture relationships, and even qualify prospects, all without requiring constant attention. Here is a stat to consider. According to recent studies, businesses using marketing automation see a 451% increase in qualified leads. No, that is not just a number, it's a game changer for companies like yours. One of my clients, a mid-sized manufacturing firm, used to rely on manual processes for lead follow-ups. Once we implemented automation, they reduced their response time by 60%, which significantly boosted their customer satisfaction and conversions. So let's identify some bottlenecks in your funnel. So before you jump into automation, it's critical to know where your current process is falling short. Are you losing leads because of slow follow-up? Are your sales team overwhelmed with unqualified prospects? Or maybe you're not nurturing leads effectively after their first interaction, or maybe there is a lot of lead bias from your salespeople. So here's a quick exercise. Take a look at your funnel and pinpoint where leads drop off. For example, are they abandoning your website after downloading a resource? That's where automation comes into play. Tools like the Scaling Founder CRM can help you address these bottlenecks by automating follow-ups and re-engaging those leads. It's time to implement. Here's a simple 3-step framework to get started with marketing automation for lead generation. First of all, choose the right tool. Start by selecting a marketing automation tool that fits your business size and goals. Popular options include the Scaling Founder CRM. That's what I use. HubSpot, Marketo, and ActiveCampaign. Look for features like email sequences, lead scoring, and CRM integration. Now set up triggers and workflows. Automation works best when you define clear triggers. For example, when a lead downloads your ebook, set up a trigger for an automated email sequence to nurture them towards a demo or a consultation, and then track and optimize. Finally, use analytics to monitor your campaigns. Which emails are getting the most opens? Where are leads dropping off? Constantly refine your workflow for maximum efficiency. Here's a pro tip. Start small. It can be very overwhelming. Focus on automating one area of your funnel first, such as lead nurturing, and expand as you see results. Let me share a real-world example to show you the impact of automation. One of my clients, a SaaS company in the 8 million revenue range, struggled with nurturing leads effectively. They had a great product but lacked the bandwidth to follow up consistently. We implemented a drip email campaign triggered by website downloads and supported with an AI employee. Within 3 months, their conversion rates increased by 30% and their sales team saved over 50 hours per month. That is the power of automation working smarter, not harder. By the way, if you're ready to implement these strategies and want a tailored plan for your business, click the link below to book a free strategy call with me and answer a few questions to see if you qualify for the strategy call. We'll map out the perfect marketing automation setup that fits your goals and scale with your business. Now you might be thinking, isn't automation expensive? Won't it make my marketing feel impersonal? Let me address these concerns. First, while there's an upfront cost, the ROI you'll see in time, in saved time, and increased conversion will far outweigh the investment. As for personalization, modern tools use advanced segmentation to ensure your emails and messages feel tailored to each lead. With the right setup, you can combine the efficiency of automation with the personal touch of human interaction. So let's wrap up. Marketing automation is the ultimate tool for scaling your B2B lead generation efforts. It saves time, increases efficiency, helps you build stronger relationships with your prospects. Whether you're a business new to automation or looking to refine your strategy, the key to is to start small, measure your results, and expand as you go. Thank you for watching. If you're serious about taking your B2B lead generation to the next level, book a call with me today using the link in the description. We'll ask you a couple of questions to see if you qualify to go ahead, and then we'll take it from there. So let's create an automation strategy that works for your business. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more actionable marketing insights. I'll see you in the next video.